guys, my name is Mercedes and welcome to or back to my channel. Make sure to like if you like this video, comment, and of course subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. So today I am doing a video on how to make money during quarantine as a teen or just in general. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. So the first one is to obviously have a sugar daddy. Just kidding. I'm not going to be that person to tell you to take all of these different surveys because they're useless and most of the time they don't work. So I'm not going to tell you to take all of these different surveys expecting to get paid at the end because most of the time they don't work. Number one is to spring clean out your closet or your drawers and sell all of your old clothes that you don't wear anymore. You can sell them on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. Sell all of your old clothes that you obviously don't wear anymore or you're never going to probably wear again. Instead of them just like sitting around collecting dust, you should just sell them. Number two is, it goes with number one, but then sell items that you don't use anymore. You can sell like furniture you don't use anymore or electronics you don't use anymore. Sell items that you just don't use anymore. Number three is you can make an Etsy account and sell custom made things. So you can make custom t-shirts or custom sneakers, custom blankets or dresses, pillows or furniture, and then you can sell them on Etsy. You can do online tutoring if you're good at a subject. There are a bunch of different websites you can go to, but also you can maybe tutor some of your classmates. Just set your own price. Like English, math, history, science, a language. Will become an influencer, become a YouTuber actually. And if you make the requirements, you can make a Google AdSense account and get paid to do what you love. If you haven't started a YouTube channel, don't start a YouTube channel for the expectation to just get paid right away, because that obviously won't happen. You have to making videos, editing, all of that. You will end up getting paid for all of the hard work you put into it. So when you meet the requirements, you can make a Google AdSense account, which may take a while, but in the end you can get paid for what you do. The next thing to do is you can pick up and deliver someone's groceries. There are some websites you can sign up and do that for. Or you can do Uber Eats or, something like that. Deliver someone's food. And the last thing, which is probably the easiest, is chores and asking your parents if there's anything you can do around the house that you can get paid for. There has to be at least something you can do and end up getting paid for at the end. So yeah, just ask your parents. If you don't already get an allowance for doing chores, or if you do and you just want to make more money for your allowance, you can just ask them for more chores to do or just anything you can do around the house. Those are all of the things that I have for you that you can do to be able to make money. Make sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.